This is Kawaii Skelly, and in this video I'm going to show you how you adjust your game to get all the spells within it. But before I show you how to do it, let me first provide you with a demonstration so you know that I'm not full of shit. So I just created a new character, and there we go, we're in the game. And yeah, she's waking up here. Walking up there, and there she'll find a basket. I should provide a disclaimer. What I basically did is to modify a mod, and the mod is called Basket Full of Equipment, Safe for Work version. So the fundamentals aren't really mine, but I was able to adjust the mod itself, or basically items within it, to give them various spells. And as you can see, I'm using the illicit powers to jump around the entire map. Yeah. Well, and this is what you will be getting at the end of this. So the first thing you'll need to do is to go to the Nexus Mods website and download the Vortex Mod Manager. After your download, it should look something like this, but of course without the mods. After the download of the Mod Manager, you go back to the Nexus Mods website and you make sure to download the mod Basket Full of Equipment. Make sure to use this link here with the vortex symbol. So at this point you should have installed the mod that you just downloaded with the Vortex Mod Manager and have a fully running game with the mod functioning in it. And here starts the tedious part. It's not really difficult, but it is tedious. As you can see, the mod itself is a pack file. Opening the mod with the editor, you will get nothing but a mumbo jumbo text. It doesn't make sense at all. What you need is a decryptor, and that's the app you will download now. This is the website where you are downloading the exporter tool to decrypt the pack files, and this is the converter app you'll be using. Opening the converter app, you will face a window like this. There you will go to Pack LSV Tools and find the aforementioned mod pack file. Choose a folder where you will export it to. Doesn't matter which one. In my example, I extracted the files into new folder 1. There you will go to Public, Basket Equipment, SFW, Stats, Generated, Data, and then you can find all the items within the mod within these files. So this would be the armor that is within the mod, and you will see various stats. At this point you might want to read through them a little bit and familiarize yourself with it. To adequately mod the mod, you will need to extract two other files within the Baldur's Gate 3 main folder. One is Gustav pack and the other is shared pack, and it will be found within the data folder. So what you did at this point is to extract both these pack files into a new folder. In my case it's new folder 2. There you go to Public, Shared, Stats, Generated, Data, and here you will find similar files to the ones in the extracted mod folder, right? Like for example here you got another armor file with similar items. Okay. Here you're seeing two armor files. The one on the left hand side is the one from the mod. And on the right hand side, you see the file from the original game. So what I did on the left one is to add various spells, like for example, it says unlock spell B target moonbeam, unlock spell B target whatever. There are like various spells in there. What you will notice is that all of these spells have a letter in front of them. The reason for that is that you will need to create your own spells basically. You reference the original ones, but B shout wall shape, for example, would be a new spell. To create your own spells, you will have to insert them within one of these files. There are 3 different types of spells. There are shout spells, projectile spells, and target spells. This one is the list for target spells. Here, for example, we have B target invisibility, which is my own spell basically. I will now show you how to create your own spells and insert them in there. Going back to the extracted shared file, you will find within the generated folder a file named spellset. So this spellset file is basically a list of the spells that exist in Baldur's Gate, right? So, and these are again categorized into 3 different types of spells. You will find them represented here in these 3 different files. So if you want to target spell, you go in here and you can see the different spells within Baldur's Gate, right? So what you do is pick one of these, copy them in the according spell file, right? So I chose the spell Barkskin that I wish to insert in one of the items. What I do is copy them, copy the spell, go into the spell target file and insert it at the bottom. Having done this, you will have to put a certain letter or change the name at least of the spell. So I do this by putting a B in there. The last thing that you'll need to do is to delete the spell slot part. So you're not using actual spell points, right? So at this point, you created your own new spell, basically. We are slowly reaching the end of this entire ordeal. What is left to do is to insert the spell that you just created into the item, right? And you do this by opening the armor file from the mod and inserting like this unlock spell part inside the according item, like unlock spell, and we insert our B target Barkskin in there. Close it up, and now your item has the Barkskin spell. Congratulations, you made it. Now what you have to do is to rename your folder based on the mod file that we extracted, right? So this is the folder 1, where the mod file was extracted to, and what you name it is basket equipment SFW. Having renamed your exported mod folder, you will open your exporter app again, where you will have the option to create a new pack. The pack file you create should replace the pack file that was there beforehand. Having done all this, you should have a new basket equipment SFW pack. This file contains the new spell and the new item. And opening the game, you should be able to use the spell and the item.
But you ain't never heard shit like this from the block before. Yeah, top down.